بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل يا عبادي الذين آمنوا اتقوا ربكم للذين أحسنوا في هذه الدنيا حسنة وأرض الله واسعة إنما يوفى الصابرون أجرهم بغير حساب.
Say, O my servants who have believed, fear your Lord. For those who do good in this world is good, and the earth of Allah is spacious. Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account. Thank you.
Thank you. Listen carefully. You will notice that Nadagite holds profound cultural significance as a unifying symbol. This was written in 1924 by Kannada poet Rashtrakavi Shri Kuvempu. ನಾಡಗೀತೆ ಗಾಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ರಾಜು 3rd MBBS.
जय जय जननीय तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वनಗಳ ನಾಡೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ ಭೂದೇವಿಯ ಮಕುಟದ ನವಮಣೆ ಗಂಗದ ಚಂದ್ರದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ನಗೆ ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ರಗತನಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇಗದ ಘೋಷ ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನಾವೇಶ ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ಜಿನನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಶಂಕರ ರಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಮಧ್ವರ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ರನ್ನ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪೊನ್ನ ಪಂಪಲ ಕುಮಿಪತಿ ಜನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ ವ್ಯಾಸರ ಮಂಗಳ ರಾಮ ಕವಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯ ರಾಮ ನಾನಕ ರಾಮ ನಂದ ಕಬೀರರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಕೈಲಪ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರಾಡಿದ ಮಾಲೆ ಗಣಜಗಣರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೀಡು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರಾವತಿ ತುಂಗ ಕಾವೇರಿಯವರ ರಂಗ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ವಿವೇಕರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ ರಸಿಕರ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ ಪಾರಸಿಕ ಜೈನರುದ್ಯಾನ ಜನಗಣ ಹೋಲುವ ದೊರೆಗಳ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಕಾಯಕ ವೈಣಿಕರ ರಾಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ದೇಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿ ವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡು ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ.
Institutions are built by vision. I invite Dr. Shanavas Manipadi, Dean, Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences, to welcome the guest.
Respected Chief Guest Dr. Dinesh Kumar YK IFS, Commissioner Employee State Insurance Scheme Medical Services, Government of Karnataka, Honorable Founder and Chairman of Kanachur Islamic Education Trust, Dr. Haji UK Monu sir, our esteemed guest of honor, Professor Dr. M. Abdul Rahman sir, respected trustees of Kanachur Islamic Education Trust, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, invited guests, principals, faculty members, staff, students, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning and a very warm welcome to you all. Founders Day is not merely a commemorative occasion, it is a celebration of vision, dedication and the enduring values that have shaped our institution. Today, we pay tribute to the remarkable foresight and unwavering commitment of our founder, whose dream of providing quality education and compassionate healthcare has transformed countless lives. Under the dynamic leadership of our chairman, Dr. Haji Yukamonu sir, besides his business establishments, the Kanachur Islamic Education Trust, which was established in 2001, has grown into distinguished educational healthcare institutions, nurturing excellence in medicine, nursing, physiotherapy, allied science, pharmacy, Ayurveda degree college in management and science college, PU college and school education. The trust offers KG to PG education in a single solitary campus of 70 acres. Now our Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences celebrating its 10th year since its inception. The current first MBBS students constitute the decennial batch. Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences offer 200 MBBS seats, 84 postgraduate seats in 13 specialties and 5 super specialty departments functioning in a 1,000-bedded hospital. The trust continues to inspire generations through its commitment to the academic excellence, healthcare and service to society. Today, we are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our chief guest, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Vaike, Commissioner, Employee State Insurance Scheme, Medical Services, Government of Karnataka, whose exemplary service in healthcare has been phenomenal. Your presence adds immense value to today's celebration and we are privileged to have you with us, sir. It is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome you. It is my singular privilege and honor to extend a heartfelt welcome to our beloved founder and chairman of Kanachur Islamic Education Trust, Dr. Haji Yukamonu sir. Sir, your visionary leadership, unwavering commitment to education, healthcare and community service have transformed the lives of thousands. The remarkable journey of the Kanachur institution stands as a testament to your foresight, dedication and tireless efforts. On behalf of the entire Kanachur family, I extend to you our warmest welcome and deepest gratitude for your gracious presence. We are equally honored to welcome our guest of honor, Professor Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, sir, an eminent academician and former Vice Chancellor of Kannur and Calicut University, Chairman, Advisory Committee, Kanachur Academy of General Education, whose distinguished contributions to higher education continue to inspire students and educators alike. I most cordially and respectfully welcome you, sir. It is with profound respect and great pleasure that I welcome our esteemed director, Mr. M. Abdul Rahman sir. Your leadership, visionary guidance, administrative excellence and unwavering commitment have played a pivotal role in the remarkable growth and success of the Kanachur institutions. Your dedication to promoting quality education, innovation and institutional development continues to inspire us all. May I now request Dr. Rohan Moni, the Chief Administrative Medical Officer of Kanachur Hospital and Research Center, to present the bouquet to the director. And a warm and heartfelt welcome to our respected trustees, Mrs. Umayya Banu Arif, Mrs. Farita Nasir, and I request Mrs. Shahida Kallaji ma'am, Mrs. Karen and Mrs. Lynette ma'am to present the bouquet. Respectfully welcome Mrs. Shada Rahman. May I now request Dr. Shamima of Allied Health Science Principal to present the bouquet to Dr. Rajiv, the Principal of Pharmacy College, to do the honors. I most cordially welcome the Medical Superintendent Dr. Anjan Kumar. I humbly welcome heads of various departments. accounts, library, MS Office, MRD, maintenance and stores department. May this occasion inspire us to strive for greater heights and continue contributing positively to the society.
Opportunities for generations to come. His vision laid the foundation of the Kanachur group of institutions, where thousands of students have found the path to knowledge, service, and professional excellence. Sir, your legacy is reflected in every graduate, every patient cared for, and every life touched by this institution. We would now like to felicitate Dr. Haji UK Monu sir. I invite representatives from our sister institutions to come forward and florally felicitate Dr. Haji UK Monu sir.
Mr. Bharat, coming from all the way from Chikkaballapura, Bengaluru, they come here to felicitate our respected chairman. Friends of our chairman, Chikkaballapura, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಂತಸದ ಈ ಸುದಿನದಂದು ಬಲು ದೂರ ಹಾವೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವ ತಮಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಫಲಾನುಭವಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತ ಕನ್ನಡಕಗಳನ್ನು ವಿತರಿಸುವ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸುವ ಸಮಯ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿಶೇಷ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ವಿವಿಧ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣಚೂರ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬರುವ ರೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೇವೆ, ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಧ್ಯೇಯೋದ್ದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿದವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇತರರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ವಿವಿಧ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವಾದ ಇಂದು ಕಣಚೂರ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ ಹಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅಪಾರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸೇವಾ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಜಿ UK ಮೋನೂರವರು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿತ್ತರಂಜನ್ ಬೋಳಾರ್, ಚೇರ್ಮನ್, ಆತ್ಮಶಕ್ತಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಪರ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು, ಕನ್ನಡ ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರುವವರು, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ನನ್ ಕೇರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹರ್ ಫ್ರೆಟರ್ನಿಟಿ, fondly called as Sister Benny Fernandez. The notable point is he has done a blood donation for 75 times.
To the esteemed chief guest, our guest of honor, respected founder chairman, honorable trustees, distinguished guests, our ever-inspiring heads and faculties across the institutions, members of the print and digital media, and my fellow students. Good morning to you all. Today we gather to celebrate our Founders' Day, a moment to reflect on the inspiring vision that laid the foundation for our beloved institution. And I deem it a great privilege in introducing to you our chief guest for this Founders' Day felicitation ceremony. Patience and perseverance have a magical effect before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish. Yes, the smiling and empathetic personality sitting amidst us today has a wealth of experience, sharp administrative acumen, and a deep commitment to public health and worker initiatives and welfare, qualities that make him exceptionally well suited to be an inspiring leader amongst us today. Dr. Dinesh Kumar YK, an Indian Forest Services officer who's leading one of the Karnataka's most vital social security institutions, the ESIS. A round of applause, please. Now, Dr. Dinesh ji has had a very distinguished career, demonstrating an unwavering dedication to strengthening systems and improving policy outcomes across the government institutions and offices he owned. To state a few of his achievements, he has completed his BSc, MSc and PhD in agriculture from the University of Agricultural Sciences, Bengaluru. He is an Indian Forest Services officer from the batch of 2015. Then on, from 2017 to 2021, he was a regional director for the Coastal Regulation Zone, CRZ, mapping under the Government of India, along with the projects of mangrove conservation, and worked in association with various World Bank projects. From 2021 to 2023, he was the Deputy Conservator of Forests in Mangaluru, working on amazing initiatives. One of them was the coastal aerodynamic shelter belts along the coastline of Mangalore, man and animal mitigation plan projects, and he also implemented the riverbank protection measures. Thereafter, from 2023 to 2025, Dr. Dinesh ji was the Managing Director of Government Tool Room and Training Center, GTTC, for Karnataka, which is at the forefront of offering highly practice-oriented training courses in design, analysis, and production aspect of tools, dies and molds, precision manufacturing, mechatronics, electronics and communication, automation, robotics, and AI. And under his leadership, this institution earned the highest number of national and international skill competition medals by the GTTC students. He also helped establish MOU with industries on establishing centers of excellence and achieved strategic collaborations with Japan and German-based industries. Now, a nation's strength lies in the well-being of its workers. And adding to his score of responsibilities, from 2025 September, Dr. Dinesh YK, IFS, is the Deputy Conservator of Forests, the Commissioner of ESIS, Medical Services, and the Labour Department, Bengaluru. And under his proactive leadership, he has revamped medical services in ESIS hospitals, upgrading Indiranagar, Mangaluru, Belagavi, Dandeli hospitals by establishing ICUs, model operating rooms, dialysis units, and diagnostic centers in the hospital and dispensaries. As Commissioner of ESIS Karnataka, a scheme that extends comprehensive medical care to over 30 lakh insured persons and approximately 1.5 crore family members across the state, Dr. Dinesh Kumarji spearheads the role of immense responsibility and even greater opportunity. The ESIS network, spanning hospitals, dispensaries, and outreach centers across Karnataka, stands ready for renewed vigor in areas of healthcare access, healthcare delivery, grievance redressal, and stakeholder management. His transformational leadership has consistently been marked by a people-first approach with a sharp eye for systemic reforms and the ability to translate policy vision into ground-level impact. And it is with great pride and pleasure that we extend a heartfelt welcome to him. And please join me in extending a warm and resounding felicitation to the person whose presence today elevates this ceremony to a grand tribute to our founder chairman's shared vision and enduring legacy. Over to Dr. Dinesh Kumar YK, IFS. Welcome, sir, and congratulations to you.
Dr. UK Monu sir. Actually, we know each other almost 10 years down the line, more than 10 years when I joined the Forest Department. He is very close to Forest Department, although he has established much beyond Forest Department. It's a great institution like this. But I never dreamt of getting inside this campus also. I was there as a Mangalore DFO. I was there as a regional director for almost 5 years. But we used to interact with each other, but I never thought of I can get this kind of opportunity. That too a Founders Day. What a coincidence. Founders Day being celebrated as Vanamotsava also. It's a great occasion for me. And I really thankful to Kanachur institutions, group of institutions and Dr. UK Monu. And also all the dignitaries on the dais to share equally with them. So I really, this is a unique campus which I can see in entire Karnataka. In the sense that really it's a unique institution. From the UKG in the education system, the children which starts with ABCD and to the professional graduate, postgraduate degrees. So this institution has in a single campus. That's a wonderful contribution to the education system. What a uniqueness, because I have seen many institutions, but not like this. In a single campus, having from UKG to a postgraduate level, I can see here, because students are there, very young kids are there, maybe they are primary education, secondary education, and also I can see PU students, I can see graduates, I can see postgraduates and doctors. What a wonderful, see, everybody is inspired in the sense from a UKG level, the kids are inspired by the PUC level guys. PUC students are inspired by the graduates, and graduates are inspired by the postgraduates. So every inspiration is summed up in single campus. So I am very fortunate. I am from Forest Department. So later I get into Skill Development Department. Then now I am in a commissioner for ESI hospitals in Karnataka. So it's also fortunate for me to transform myself from a plantation-oriented officer, a forest-oriented officer, to a medical supervision, so management level. So it's a great transformation which I can see, I can relate myself. In fact, actually, I requested Dr. Kanachur Monu sir to send a delegation from this Kanachur institution to ESI at our ESI Mangalore. So a team has visited, I don't know who was the team headed by, but the team has visited and they have advised our ESI hospitals how we can revamp our ESI facilities. So our vision, Karnataka government wants to give more medical services to all ESI patients. Basically, I'll just say what is ESI. ESI is basically Employers Insurance Institution, which is actually central government funded. And the employees who are drawing less than 21,000 and below, basic 21,000 below, in any of the institutions, in any of the industry who are there working, so they are the ESI card holders. So once they become a ESI card holders, complete free medical services are being offered to not only the person who is actually an employee, but also his family. His family is not just his wife, his children, or his spouse, but also his parents and mother-in-law, father-in-law, mother-in-law, everybody. So it's a very great honor to serve. In Karnataka, we have around 36.5 lakh IP holders, insured persons holder, who are having a card. But if you take the entire family, almost 1.5 crores, like 1/3 of the state population is being the beneficiary of this scheme, ESIS. So it's a wonderful scheme because every aspects of treatments are covered under this. There is no scheme in entire globe which can cater to this much population at a very free of cost, totally free of cost. There is nothing to, even if a treatment like 1 lakh per month, 1 lakh per day, or any number of lakhs you can take, but it is free. It is free from the point of the employer. It's a contribution basically, contribution developed by 4% contribution, 3.25% employer gives and 0.75% employee gives. And it is, the benefit goes to employee who is working in any of the factory also. So this is a kind of arrangement that is there in entire country. It's one of the best kind of arrangement we have. But we would like to extend more facilities in ESI centers itself. And therefore we are looking for improvement of the system. So with that attitude, I requested Dr. Monuji to send a team of doctors, and they have visited, they have guided us, they have given what kind of improvements that needs. And with the same, the recommendations of the team from Kanachur, we have started implementing. So almost 10 crore we are going to implement immediately. So later also we are trying to implement. So with that, actually we wanted to have an association with them. So we wanted to have a greater association with them in transforming our ESI hospitals to a greater level. So that is also under process. But I am very much thankful to him and his team who is sitting over here to guide these kind of institutions. So on the same occasion, I was also part of Vanamotsava. In fact, actually Vanamotsava is very close to Forest Department, as you know. Because we need to save nature, we need to conserve nature, we need to protect nature. Because of lot of global events, climatic impacts are very huge. That we can see every day, how the temperature is getting raised and how it is impacting the living organisms on the globe. So in that scenario, this year very badly we will have a El Nino also. So El Nino very impactfully it is going to affect the monsoon cycle of this year. So we should be focused how to protect this globe through protecting environment, to reducing our footprints on this environment. So this is very much cautious, because why I am telling, the El Nino is basically, I'll just explain why this El Nino. El Nino means everybody knows this El Nino, because of El Nino, yes, this year rainfall is going to be very reduced. This year we are expecting almost a drought year. So there may be a lot of challenges, even for the drinking water to the upland or Bangalore area. So this is going to be very impactful, but because of our own human negligence to protect this environment, to protect this green cover on the earth. So this basically El Nino, I just will explain in a nutshell. El Nino is nothing but a drought year, which is not of a good monsoon. This entire monsoon cycle starts with the western part of South America. That is Chile coast. If you can see globally, Chile coast, South America, the west part of South America, Chile coast, during this monsoon season, the warm currents used to move from Chile coast of the South America towards the west side of the Indonesia and the Australia portion. So due to movement of this warm water, warm winds that carries the humid the clouds, which actually crosses the Australia and hits the African continent, African landmass, get deflected again to the India, and that results as a monsoon. So actually monsoon we receive not just because Indian Ocean, we receive from the Pacific Ocean. It crosses entirely Pacific Ocean, travels into Australian portion, that is Indian Ocean, then gets into Arabian Ocean. So then we get the rainfall. So if this is being affected, in the sense warm currents moving from southern Chile are actually not moving towards the Australian and the Indonesian portion, but they are moving back. Therefore, there is no warm currents. there is no warm currents means there is no cloud formation, there is no humidity formation. So this is going to affect the India in a very big way, because monsoon is going to be very low intensity. So that may cause a lot of scarcity of water. So I think we need to understand globe to understand what nature can cause us. It is not about what I take decision, what I cut the trees or I destroy the environment, but it is also globally somewhere else and is going to happen that is going to affect me also. So as a globe we should see in protecting this nature, environment, everything. So on the part of this occasion, I think Vanamotsava is one of the very initiative of Government of India and Government of State Government Karnataka to bring in awareness among the childrens, among the students, to plant a tree, to plant a sapling, and to conserve this nature and protect the environment. So that is the concept this Vanamotsava has started. So basically Vanamotsava is way back to 1986 it has started. It's not a new thing, but it getting momentum because of its impactful on the environment protection. So we are all part of it. We are all part of it. And as one of our anchors said, we have to be with nature. Nature cannot be for us. We are for the nature. So we need nature. Nature is for everyone. So we need to understand that nature is everything. Even it's a science, it's a maths, it's a technology. And whatever is in nature, we are actually imitating it and trying to develop it as a instrument or the technology. That is how we see whatever there in nature. Nature is mother of everything. So if we can protect the nature, if we can understand the nature, if we can study the nature, we will definitely be a very good engineer, a very good doctor, a very good Ayurvedic medicine person. So whosoever is there are all derived from natures. So that is why a child should be very close to nature. It should be allowed to very closely associate with nature. Because a seed is the journey of the plant. As such, a child, environmental link is the journey of the student. So it's all linked with, so we need to be very close to the nature. So coming back to, it's a practical aspect of learning life, learning your environment. So therefore, everything is in nature. We need to protect nature. If the plant itself, if we start seeing the growth of the plant, that itself is a science to learn many things. Many of the scientists have become only to by studying the nature, nothing else. Nothing else. You can count number of scientists in the globe. They are all part of the natures. But they are not scientists actually, basically. But just because their curiosity in studying the aspects of nature, aspects of the plants, they have become a big scientist. So therefore, any children wants to become a bright in his future, he need to be very close to the nature. So that is what today we have seen planting program or sampling. And I also witnessed institution is played a pivotal role in planting almost four panchayats, 1,000 samplings in each of the panchayat. Maybe panchayat limit area, schools, then in the private, the owners, planting in the, you see, every aspect they have covered. And also, I was very much fortunate to see on the occasion of Founders Day, they have distributed so many things, including spectacles and the cataract eye, testing, through a glucometer. So, lot of activity. It's very fortunate to see such a big person also serving as a philanthropist and giving back to the people from where he has grown up. And across the states, many from the many corners of the states they have visited, they have congratulated on the Founders Day. And I really thankful to everyone. I congratulate Dr. Monu and his group, Kanachur group, on the Founders Day. And I really hopeful that this institution will grow in a very big way. It will become a very big institution in entire country. I hope, I am very much fortunate to thank you. Thank you so much.
Good morning to every one of you. Respected Chairman of the Kanachur Islamic Education Trust, my friend, philanthropist, social service, Dr. U.K. Monu, and today's chief guest, Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Vice Chairman Abdul Rahman, members of the trustee, principals, all the faculty members, members of non-teaching, and dear students. At the onset, let me thank Dr. Monu for giving an opportunity to take part in this very wonderful, fantastic function where it is a multi-purpose. One was the Vanamahostava, where our chief guest already explained the importance of it. Of course, throughout the country from 86 onwards, Vanamahostava is being celebrated, and now Moni has taken it up as a challenge to see that sufficient number of saplings are planted here. At the same time, it is education to younger generation. They should learn how to keep up the environment alive. But very painful thing is, even with all that, everyone is writing articles, giving speeches, experiment is going on, we are going on destroying the nature. And today and yesterday paper, if you see, Government of Karnataka is planning a tunnel in the Agumbe, railway track, all these are going to destroy further the Western Ghats. The expert should see that this further destruction should not take place in the name of development. Well, regarding, now the chief guest gave a very wonderful speech in a serious way. Now I'm going to tell certain things in the lighter sense. I have given a lot of talk here regarding education. First thing I want to tell, Mr. Monu must have forgotten, 2003, we planted 4 saplings. Myself, Monu, the principal of the school, and I have forgotten the other person. I am talking 2004. 2004. So then only he has understood, now he has taken it as a mega scale. And my association with Monu is from 2001 June onwards. So we are completing quarter century. Thank you, Monu, for this shows he has got trust with me. I have to thank him once again for that. Of course, the family members also, they all be here. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention in absentia Mrs. Monu Zora. My respects and kind remembrance to her, because as a wife, she has played a very major role in inspiring Monu and keeping him active. Going back to education of Monu, a man with vision, mission, objective. When he met me, I asked him, what is you are a timber businessman. He was a, industrialist when he met me in 2000. I asked, what is your interest in education? He said, I want to see that, I want to build up the institution, and here I want to give more importance to girl education. Well, what he told 25 years back, now when I see the crowd here, nearly 90% students are girls. Well, dear Monu, you have kept to the word. You should see that spirit should continue. Moreover, let us see that we started from LKG, as next we came and started school, PVC and professional, first grade college, professional, everything was systematic step by step. And I wish, hope, pray, this institution become a university in the short time. Let us all, Kanachur University, let us all pray, not only pray, work for that. Then only we come and build an institution. With these few words, I once again express Ms. Monu long, healthy, happy, peaceful life. And also it is family life, long, healthy life, so that he can serve the society and build the further development of this institution. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those words of wisdom.
Assalamu alaikum. ಇದರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕಣಚೂರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್, ಅದು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಇತರ ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಕಲಿಯುವಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗುಳಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದು ಹಂಬಲ ನನಗೆ. ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಇದು ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡೆವು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಗಳು ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ದಿನಾಂಕ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಷ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ನಿಚ್ಚಳವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅನೇಕರು ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದಂಥ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನೆಹರೂರವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವಲ್ಲಭಾಯಿ ಪಟೇಲ್ರವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೌಲಾನಾ ಆಜಾದ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನೇಕ ಪಾರಂಪರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನಿತರ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ನೆನಪನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ಆದರೂ ಇದು ಚಾಲ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇರಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಇದು ಕಣಚೂರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಏನು ಎಂತು ಯಾರಿಂದ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾರೂ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಪ್ರಚಲಿತದಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದು ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೈಗಂಬರ್ರವರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರದು ಔಲಿಯಾಗಳದ್ದಾಗಲಿ ಆಲಿಮ್ಗಳದ್ದಾಗಲಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 60 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಉಳ್ಳಾಳದ ಖಾಜಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದ ಸೈಯದ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರೆಹಮಾನ್ ಅಲ್ ಬುಖಾರಿ ತಂಗಳ್ರವರು 60 ವರ್ಷ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮಾಡುವ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಬಹುಸಂಖ್ಯಾತ ಸನಾತನ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾದ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ಪೂಜಾರಿಯವರ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ನಾನು. ಅವರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯವಾದ ಕಾರಣ ಅವಳು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನನ್ನ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕೇಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದೆ, ತಲಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಸಕೇಯಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ, ಧನಿಕ. ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೂಸಕೇಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಏನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮೂಸಕೇಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಊರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದಾವತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ದಾವತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪಚಾರ, ಊಟೋಪಚಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು, ಇವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶ, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬರೀ ಮೂಸ ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ, ಮೂಸಕೇಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದು ಸದುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹಂಚಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮ್ ಅಲೈಕುಮ್ ಸಲಾಮ್, ನಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಮೂಸಕೇಯಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟರು. ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮೂಸಕೇಯಿ ಅಂತಲೇ. ಅವರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ದಾವತ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಈ ಹೆಸರು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ. ಆದರೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದೇ ಥರ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೌಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಡೇಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ವರ್ಷ, ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ, ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳೋದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ ಈ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅದಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಚರಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು ಅಂತೇಳಿದರೆ, ಕಣಚೂರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಿತು, ಹೇಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದರು, ಯಾವ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಿತು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ, ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಉನ್ನತ ಪದವಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ವಿದ್ವಾಂಸರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮೀರಿಸೋರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದ್ದವರು 25 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಪುರುಸೊತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವವರು. ಆಗಲೇ ಕೇಳಿದರು, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಥಳ ಎಷ್ಟುಂಟು, ಜಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟುಂಟು ಅಂತ. ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೀವು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಂಥವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯತನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹೇಳುವುದು ಉಂಟು, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನಾದ ನನ್ನದು. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತವಾದ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ. ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಈ ದೇಶದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಜಾತ್ಯತೀತ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ, ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ಮೀಸಲಿಡುವಂಥ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾನಾಗಿ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಪರಿಚಯಸ್ಥರು, ಆತ್ಮೀಯತೆ ಬೆಳೆಸುವವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೂಡ. ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರಬಹುದು, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ, ಪಂಗಡ, ಜಾತಿ, ಮತದವರು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹಾರೈಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ಈಗ ಕಳೆದ ಸಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ತಂಡ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಈ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತು. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಷ, 2 ವರ್ಷ, 4 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಇದಾಗಿ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಬರುವುದು, ನಾನು ಯಾವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸಾಗಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನನಗೇನು, ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ತನಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾನು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಜನಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಥರದ ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಕ್ಕಾಗ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿತು ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡವರು ಅದಾದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು, ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಅರ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಟಕಾಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ತಾನು ಸಂಸಾರಿಸ್ತಳಾಗಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬವನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ, ನನ್ನ ಅತ್ತೆ, ಸೊಸೆ, ನಾನು ಹೋದ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳುವ ಸದುದ್ದೇಶ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಹಿಳೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಾರ್ಥಕವಾಗಿ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ದು ಆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೆಳಕಾಗುವಂತೆ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಸೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬ, ನಿನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಿನ್ನ ಗಂಡ, ನಿನ್ನ ಅತ್ತೆ, ಮಾವ ಇವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಂಸಾರ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಜಾಗರೂಕತೆಯಿಂದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂಸಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿ, ಸಂಸಾರಸ್ಥರಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬವನ್ನು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಸಲಹಿದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಜಾತಿ ಮತ ಭೇದ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆ ಥರದ ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಸೇವೆ. ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಹೌದು. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಆಗದವರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರದ ಕಾರ್ಯಮುಖರಾದರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ನನ್ನ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷೆ ಏನು ಅಂತೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಾನು ಈ ಫೌಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಡೇಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ, 1 ಗಂಟೆ, ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿದರೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ನಿಗದಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಯ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಉದ್ದೇಶಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸಮಯ ವ್ಯರ್ಥ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲೂ. ಇವತ್ತು ರಜೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫೌಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಭಾಷಣ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಇದು ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡುವುದಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಸದುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದರು, ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿನ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಹಾಯಕಳಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ದುಡಿಯುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸಹಾಯ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದುಗಡೆ ಹೈದರ್ ಪ್ರತಿಪಾಡಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬಲ್ಲವರು ಅನೇಕ ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಳಿದ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಸಹಾಯ ಸಹಕಾರ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಸಮಯ. ಅದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರುವಂತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಕ್ಕೊರಲಿಂದ ದುವಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದುವಾಕ್ಕೆ ದೇವರು ತಟಾಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಭರವಸೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದ್ದುದರಿಂದ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ದುವಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಮರು ಅರಣ್ಯೀಕರಣ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ನ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಬೆಂಬಲವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ನೆಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸಸಿಗಳ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಾಲನೆ ಪೋಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಭರವಸೆಯನ್ನೂ ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
I request Dr. Vidyaprabha R, Principal, Kanachur Ayurveda Medical College and Hospital, to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very warm good morning. Respected founder and chairman Dr. Haji Yokemonu sir, chief guest Shri Dinesh Kumar YK, Professor Dr. M. Abdul Rahman sir, our Director Mr. Abdul Rahman sir, distinguished guests, respected members of the management, principals, faculty, staff and students. Today is a celebration of a vision that has grown into a family of institutions touching thousands of lives. This event is a result of nearly a month of dedicated preparation, bringing together every Kanachur institution and even many well-wishers beyond our organization. Sir, your vision has given us more than institutions and workplaces. It has given us a purpose and a family. As Kanachur continues to grow and reach new milestones, Founders Day reminds us that irrespective of the institution we belong to, we are one family united by your vision, values and leadership. So words are not enough to express our gratitude. On behalf of the entire Kanachur family, I sincerely thank you for your guidance, encouragement and unwavering commitment to excellence. We pray that you are blessed with good health, happiness and many more years of inspiring leadership.